Let's learn how to write a prompt on Instagram Notes. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device if you want, because method is same for all phones. First, let us open Instagram. And before we start, I have something to tell you. So I found out that this option maybe doesn't exist on the old made accounts. So if you made account a few years ago, there is a possibility that you don't have this option. That, or it can be that you're in a country that doesn't have this option, or you didn't update your Instagram on phone. But if you have this option, click on messages, click on post notes, and click on this question mark cloud icon that's in the middle, and it will show write the prompt tab. Now here you can write anything you want. I will write some example like hi. Now once you done that, before you share, you'll have to add a response. Just click down below and it will open add a response tab. Write something you want also. And now you can see that we added a prompt to our note. Now you can just open it. Here you will see the prompt, and here you will also see the response. You can also add new response to this and share. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.